Hello, I'm Laura Leist, founder of Eliminate Chaos, a productivity and organizing services firm. You know, our clients call quite often and they want to get their offices organized, but they are completely overwhelmed and they have no idea where to start. So I'm going to help you today break it down on how you can get started. First of all, what I want you to think about is that there are two forms of clutter: the visible forms of clutter and the invisible forms of clutter. The visible forms of clutter could be all that stuff and paper in your office, and that's what oftentimes people think of in terms of clutter. What they don't think so much about clutter is the invisible forms of clutter, such as all your email or your digital information that basically lives under the lid of your laptop, and you don't think of that as basically information that is keeping you from maybe being as productive and as profitable as you could be. So I've broken getting your office organized into 5 areas. And those 5 areas are: number 1, paper, so paper management systems. Number 2 is getting all of the stuff in your office organized, and that could be anything that is not paper or furniture. And then the third area is the furniture in your office. Is it organized in a set up in a way that's conducive to you working in an efficient manner? The fourth area is: how is your digital information organized? Do you have a great system for email? Do you have a great system for all your note-taking and your digital files? And then the 5th area is time management. So if you've put systems in place for paper and stuff and your digital organizing, I can guarantee you that you will be a much better manager of your time, and hence employing more of the time management techniques that I wrote about in my book, Eliminate the Chaos at Work, 25 Techniques to Increase Your Productivity. And the way that this book works is that it's basically broken down into 4 of those 5 areas that I just mentioned. So if this is something that you are wanting to do, getting your office organized and being more productive, especially with the new year being just around the corner, I would welcome a call and happy to have a conversation with you about where you could start and how we might even be able to help you along the way. So I'm Laura Leist, founder of Eliminate Chaos, and I look forward to hearing from you.